Hello and welcome to Pesticides, a LibGuide primarily for University of Missouri students doing research on pesticides, their history, and effects. This guide will help college students and other advanced learners explore advanced resources on pesticides. Important note, sources specially marked with an MU symbol may only be available electronically for University of Missouri students. You can navigate through this guide by clicking on the 5 tabs at the top of the screen and on any links that interest you. They will open in a new window so you don't lose the guide. Starting off, we have the home page, which provides you with a glossary of terms about pesticides, as well as some suggested encyclopedias and databases that will get you started when looking for general information. This one at the bottom, MPIRS, allows you to look up ingredients and brand names of pesticides, find their individual effects, and more information on them. On the right side, we have a link to a lecture from the University of California to help those new to the subject establish a base of knowledge. This next tab, Rachel Carson, is all about her and her book Silent Spring, which began the movement to regulate pesticides in the United States. If you're looking for background information on how pesticides became what they are today, this is a great tab for you. These are some suggested readings on the side to learn more about her and her time, and her other notable works are listed here. These are all clickable and will take you to their locations in Mizzou libraries. The next tab over is the Environmental Protection Agency. This tab connects you with EPA resources quickly, including the Office of Pesticide Programs, their mailing address, their contact page, and a directory of leadership emails with the Office of Chemical Safety and Pollution Prevention if you need to contact someone for more information. I've included their news bulletin if you need up-to-date reports on pesticides, and their database April, where you can search for pesticides registered with the EPA. The next tab over is the Environmental Safety. This tab is for those doing research into sustainability and the environmental impact of pesticides. We have some sustainability database suggestions to pursue further research and some book suggestions that discuss the fundamental environmental issues around pesticides. Down here are some suggested search terms to find articles in these databases if you're having a hard time with where to start. Clicking on any of these databases and then entering a term like this, bioaccumulation and pesticide, will pull up recent articles relating to both of those things, being how pesticides accumulate in wildlife and how it infects the environment. This next tab over is human safety. This tab is about human health and safety around pesticides. These resources include agricultural laws and regulations for the safe use of pesticides, and also health databases from the National Library of Medicine and the EPA, where you can look up pesticide names and see the health effects they have on humans. This resource, HazMap, will allow you to look up individual pesticides and see their side effects. Remember, this guide is just a pathfinder to get you started on your research into the history of pesticides and their health effects. Happy researching!